Welcome, friends. So let's take a look at motivating a rule of exponents. It's that kind of video. Please keep that in mind. So I'm going to go with 5 cubed. Why am I writing that? No reason. It's just to have something in there. Now I'm going to divide this by 5 to the second. We want to simplify this. So we can do 5 times 5 times 5 because 5 cubed means that. And then on the bottom, I'll say here 5 times 5 because that is what 5 squared means. Now look, this 5 here will cancel with this 5. Okay. This 5 will cancel with this 5. So the only thing left over really is that bold 5. Here, the 5 is left over. Now, why do we want to see it this way? What's important here? It's really 5 to the first. How else can we get a 1, though? We can also do the following. Look at, you have 3 and 2 up here, right? 3 minus 2 is also equal to 1. This 3 minus the 2 on the bottom. Let's do 2 to the fourth divided by 2 to the second. Okay, so we just write out the definition first. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2. You cancel what you can in pairs. So this here cancels with this here. This here cancels, let's say, with this right here. So all that is left over is 2 times 2, which is equivalent to 2 to the second here. But how else can you get a 2, that red 2 right there? You can get that by doing 4 minus 2. Which is also 2, right? You can just subtract the bottom exponent from the top exponent. So instead of having to go through a lengthy process like this every single time, we can just shorten things as follows. 3 to the 56th, that means 3 multiplied by itself 56 times. I couldn't even fit that here if I wanted to. And what are the chances you can type 56 threes correctly and not 55 or 57? And then divide by 3 to the 46th. 46th. So we don't want to do the previous approach. It's not practical because there's too many 3's here. So we'll just do 3 to the 56 minus 46. You just subtract the bottom exponent from the top exponent, and that's just going to give us 3 to the positive 10th. Now this number in red is still a huge number. That means 3 multiplied by itself 10 times. But at least we can bring it into some form that's simpler than original. So if you like these kinds of videos, please be sure to subscribe, to like this video. It's really important.